Guys, welcome back to 75 Dually Garage. Today I got a challenge for you. We're going to call it the hashtag 75 Dually Challenge. What is it? Well, it's these little hooks. What are these? Well, this is just a prototype one that I made up. But what do? They grab doors, they open doors, they punch on keypads, and you don't got to touch your hands to it. What we're trying to do is stop people from touching all the surfaces and catching this terrible disease, right? So let's each one of us who can fabricate, who can make things, who can do things for others, let's make some of these. Do you have to make them out of metal and make them just like this? No. Make them out of wood. Make them out of metal. Fabricate. Do your best job. I want you to inspire others. And then I also want you to put it back to hashtag 75 Dually Challenge, and I want to see what you make. I'm going to post up some things that you guys are doing, and let's hope we can make some positive things go on in this world. Peace out.